Look at this interesting lobby. This is quite colorful if you ask me. Look how many staircases there are. But anyways, this will be the elevator at Duncan Hall at Rice University in Houston, Texas. I absolutely love this elevator lobby here. Look at that. This is a beautiful elevator lobby atrium. And it's a Fujitec. We're finally able to get a proper take of this elevator here. Call button's been replaced. It's a Fujitec. Three. I'm gonna ring the bell. Original call button right there, see? That's the original call button right there. I want to get a full silent take going, both going up and down. I'm afraid somebody might need to use it. These are your fixtures. There's your phone. All right, let's go up. Wait for the chime. It's got a nice sounding motor. Listen to the chime again. I absolutely love the mechanical chime. I'm gonna ring the bell. Epic. Alright, there it goes. And that's it.